Good afternoon, teacher. My name is William Quito. I'm second year course F. I am going to say attention. You should pay attention to the teacher. You should play in the stream example. Activity. Tell for suggestion using should. You should drink plenty of water every day. You should finish your homework before watching TV. You should be kind to your classmates. You should brush your teeth twice a day. You should listen to your parents' advice. Tell for suggestion using should. Example. You should play on the street. You should eat too much junk food. You should use your phone late at night. You should jump in the library. You should forget to bring your umbrella if it's raining. You should be rude to others. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.